AI tools are reshaping academic research at an incredible pace, and one platform currently making a strong impact is NotebookLM. With its newest updates, it has become extremely powerful, especially for generating professional quality presentations within minutes. One of its standout features is how smoothly it organizes information. The slides appear clean and well-structured, the content flows logically, and there's no need to spend time worrying about design or formatting. For students, researchers, and educators, this can mean saving hours of preparation time. That said, there is one significant drawback. When you download a presentation from NotebookLM, it's saved as a PDF. This means you can't directly edit the text, adjust the layout, or incorporate your own branding. In academic settings, customization is often crucial. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple and free method to convert a NotebookLM presentation into a fully editable PowerPoint file, so you can refine, update, and personalize it exactly as needed. Let's get started. First, visit NotebookLM and log in. Once you're inside, create a new notebook. NotebookLM allows you to add sources in several ways. You can upload documents, import files from Google Drive, paste text, or include website links. For this example, we'll use the Quick Research feature. In the search bar, type Impact of AI in Education. After running the search, NotebookLM collects information from reliable sources such as academic journals, research reports, technology publications, and policy discussions related to AI in education and research. When the research process is complete, you'll see summaries and references from multiple sources. At this point, review them carefully and select only the ones most relevant to your presentation. You can easily uncheck any source you don't need. Next, move to the NotebookLM Studio panel on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find the option to generate a slide deck. Before creating the slides, you can adjust several important settings. Choose whether you want a detailed presentation with explanations or a presenter-style deck focused on visuals and key points. You can also select the language, adjust the length, and define your target audience, such as students, researchers, or academic professionals. Once everything is configured, click Generate. Within seconds, your presentation will appear, neatly arranged slide by slide. The content is already organized into clear sections, covering topics such as AI-powered literature reviews, automated data analysis, ethical considerations, research productivity, and the evolving role of researchers. You can present directly from NotebookLM or share the presentation online. However, if you want to modify the content or redesign the slides, this is where the workaround becomes useful. When you download the presentation, it saves as a PDF. The text is fixed, the layout cannot be altered, and editing is restricted. To make the file editable, we'll use the iLovePDF website instead of Canva. Open a new browser tab and search for iLovePDF PDF to PowerPoint Converter. Click on the official iLovePDF website and choose the PDF to PPT tool. Upload the PDF file you downloaded from NotebookLM. Once the file is uploaded, click on Convert to PPT. Within a few seconds, iLovePDF will process the document and generate a downloadable PowerPoint file. Download the converted PPT file to your computer. Now open the file in Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll see that the slides are fully editable. You can update the headings, revise the content, adjust fonts and colors, change layouts, add your branding, and rearrange elements exactly the way you want. This process is quick and saves you from manually recreating the entire presentation. Once you've finished editing, simply save your final version in PowerPoint format and your customized presentation is ready to use. To summarize, NotebookLM helps you quickly create structured, research-based presentations, and iLovePDF website allows you to convert the PDF into a fully editable PowerPoint file. Together, they form a simple and efficient workflow that saves time and improves productivity in academic research. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more practical AI tools and research workflows. See you in the next one.